Hi, I'm Sonna Brado from Spokane, Washington in the United States. I'm beginning my cut by taking a halo section on the top of the head that separates from the top from the bottom. I'm going to begin in the center of the fringe area, taking a central vertical section and then working traveling sections out, about 2 or 3 traveling sections, and then over directing the last one to the previous section in order to keep a little bit of length at the recession area. Working in through the back area, I'm going to utilize block graduation and then scissor over comb to create a nice tight nape area. I'm transferring into diagonal forward sections as I reach the front area to maintain just a little bit of softness and length right at the recession area. And there we have the finished underneath, and I'm ready to move on to the top. I'll be taking pivoting sections all the way around the head to connect the top with the underneath. I'm taking pivoting sections, my distribution and elevation are 90 degrees, and I'm cutting my line round. Now Erin has a lot of really thick hair, and so I'm going to be doing a technique called channel cutting. I'm working parallel to the flow of the hair, and I'll take a parting right along that grain, and then coming in with my texturizers, I'm going to go in and go right at the scalp and remove a section of hair. I also like to use channel cutting to create some pieciness in the fringe area. Then just a little bit of twist cutting in through the top. And there we have it. Thank you for joining me, and join us again for more great cuts on our KMS Pro channel.